Jeff Kirui, KTN.
Meanwhile, Central Police Station OCS Samson Talam will continue staring down the cold walls of Langata Police Station, awaiting his fate after an Nairobi court ordered he remains in custody for 15 more days. Presiding Magistrate Ben Makekubi ruled that the prosecution had presented compelling reasons for his continued detention. And as Grace Nganga now reports, Talam is regarded as the prime suspect in the Albert Ojwang murder case after being accused of a sinister plot to bury the truth.
Central Police OCS Samson Talam will continue sleeping in the cold cells of Langata Police Station after Magistrate Ben Makekubi granted the prosecution its wish of holding him for more days. According to the prosecution, the OCS can easily tamper with crucial evidence in the ongoing probe into the murder of Albert Ojwang in police custody.
It is ineluctable that he has created the network and the bond with fellow police officers who are likely to cover up for their own. I am therefore satisfied that the prosecution have placed before this court compelling reason to enable me deny the respondent his right to bail or bond at this stage.
IPOA had filed an application seeking his detention for 21 more days, but was only granted 15 days to complete the investigations and forensic analysis on seized electric devices. The application was supported by an affidavit from Abdirahman Jibril, a senior IPOA investigations officer, claiming that Talam planned, directed and attempted to cover up the fatal assault on Ojwang. IPOA alleges that Talam was in constant contact with Police Constable James Muhwana, who had access to the cells. Through his lawyer, Muhwana, who is also in police custody, spilled the beans, placing Talam into the center of the brutal murder, arguing he had strict instructions from him and others to discipline Ojwang. Orders, Muhwana claims, originated from Deputy Inspector General of Police Eliud Lagat.
The OCS called the particular DCI officers who brought Albert to the station, and he says that the OCS had stated that he had actually talked to, that was the DIG, and he's requesting that his CDR report be produced, and even the call data, the voice call data that he had with the particular OCS and the deputy OCS be retrieved.
His lawyer states Muhwana knew he was a sacrificial lamb after his seniors failed to pick his calls when things escalated.
The following day at around 11, he received a call from one of the officers at the Central Police Station by the name Lydia, whom Lydia told him that umesikia mambo ambayo imefanyika huku, that the person who was brought in yesterday has died. He said that he reached out to the OCS, he reached out to the deputy OCS, but they have not been picking his calls.
Elsewhere, Talam's deputy Samuel Nganga, who was arraigned at Kahawa Law Court, has been detained for 14 days at Muthaiga Police Station pending investigations. The cases will be heard next month. Grace Nganga, KTN.
We take a short break. When we come back, we'll take a look at other stories making headlines across the country.
Nivea Black and White Deal, now with 7